Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our next topic, n term of an AP. First, we revise what is meant by the AP. AP means arithmetic progression. In a sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms are constant, then we say that the given sequence is an AP. Again, I repeat the definition of AP. If difference between two consecutive terms of a sequence are constant, then that sequence we known as AP. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the sequence. Okay. Now we see the n term of an AP. Okay. Now we see one example. In the sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, the difference between two consecutive term is 3. Hence, the sequence is an AP. Okay. Now, in this sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, difference between two consecutive terms is 3. Then 5, 8, 11, 14, so and this is an sequence. This sequence is an AP. Okay. Now we see here the first term of term is 5. If 3 is added to 5, we get the second term 8. Similarly, if we find the 10 term, what should be done? Okay. Now here the first term, second term, third term. Here the first term 5, the second term 5 plus 3 8, third term 8 plus 3 11. Okay. Now here if we take to finding the fourth term, we add 3 in third term, means 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 3 20. Like as we get the 10 term. Up to this, reaching up to the 10 term will be time consuming. Let us see if we can find any formula for it. Okay. Now see, to finding the 10 term of this sequence, sorry, not 10, 100th term of the given sequence. To finding, we add the 3 in previous term, we get the next term. Again we add the 3 in term, we get the next term. Like that up to the 100th term we find out. But for this process, this calculation, we require more time. To reduce the consuming time, we can find one formula. Okay. Now here see here in this example, the first term is 5, means it is T1. If we the second term, how to find the second term? 5 plus 1 into 3, 1 into 3, then 5 plus 1 into 3 8, 5 plus 2 into 3, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 5 11. We get the third term 3 3, 3 4, 5 into the 3 into 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 5 14. Then so on. For the n term, what we do here, we keep our first term as it is plus n minus 1 into the 3 common difference. In this way we find out the n term. Okay. Again I repeat, we see here in the fourth term 5 plus 3 into 3, means the 5 is the A or the T1, A plus 3 is 3. How to get 3 here? Because 4 minus 1 means n minus 1 into the 3 is a common difference. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into D, to finding the n term. Okay. Now we see how to get this formula. Okay. Now here generally in the AP, the T1, T2, T3, T4, if the so on, if the first term is A and common difference is D, Generally in the AP, T1 first term, T2 second term, T3 third term, T4 fourth term, so on. If here first term is A, means A is equal to T1 or T1 is equal to A, and common difference is small d. Now we get T1 is equal to A. To finding T2, now here T2 is equal to the T1 plus D. Okay, the first term plus common difference is, how to write it, A plus D, or is equal to the A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Why? Because T2, that is why we take here 2 minus 1 into D. A plus 2 minus 1 into D means it is A plus D. To the third term, here T2 plus D. Here what is the T2 here? T2 here A plus D, and plus D as it is. Then A plus D, D plus D, 2D means here we get A plus 2D is equal to the A. We write, how to write the 2? 3 minus 1. What is 3 here? 3 here? 3 is the third term. Third. A as it is, A plus in bracket 3 minus 1 into the D. Now we see T4. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. What is T3 here? A plus 2D plus D as it is equal to the 2D plus D. It is A plus 3D, and in this 3D, how to split it? Is equal to the A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Means here for the T2, 2 minus 1, for T3, 3 minus 1, and for the T4, here we get 4 minus 1. Similarly, so on. We get Tn is equal to the A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, here we get, by using this, we get here the one formula to finding the n term of a given AP, by using formula T suffix n is equal to the A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is a number of term, A is a first, A is a common A is a first term, and D is a common difference. Now we see some example. Okay, now we by using the formula, which formula? Tn is equal to the A plus n minus 1 into D. We find out the 100th term of the AP 5, 8, 11, 14. Here A is equal, first term or A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3. Now we take the formula. Tn is equal to the A plus n minus 1 into D. Here to finding a 100th term, that's why here n is equal to 100, A is equal to 5, and D is equal to 3. We substitute all this value in Tn. Then T100 is equal to the 5 plus 100 minus 1 into the 3. Now here keep 5 as it is, plus 100 minus 1, 99. Okay, now we get here T100, therefore T100 is equal to the 5 plus 900 into 99 into 3. Therefore T100 is equal to the 5 plus 297. Therefore T100 is equal to the 302. This is a 100th term of the AP 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, in this way we find out the n or the given term of a AP by using the formula Tn is equal to the A plus n minus 1 into the D is the formula for n term of an AP. Okay, therefore 100th term of the AP 5, 8, 11, 14 is 302. Okay. Now we see example. Now we see some example on Tn is equal to the a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now first example, example number first, decide whether following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 10 term of the progression minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. Now here we have given one sequence. First of all, first we decide here the given sequence is an AP or not, and then we find 20 term, means here we find the 20. Now let us first we show or find the given sequence is an AP or not. Okay. Now here first we find, to finding you know that when the sequence is an AP, if that's in that sequence if the common difference, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then the given sequence is an AP. Now we see. Okay. Then here T1 is equal to minus 12, T2 is equal to the minus 5, T3 is equal to 2 and T4 is equal to 9. These are the terms. First term minus 12, second term minus 5, third term 2, the fourth term 9 and so on. Now we find, to finding the difference between two consecutive terms, means here T2 minus T1 is equal to the minus 5 minus in bracket minus 12, minus minus become plus, here we get minus 5 plus plus 12 is equal to the 12 minus 5 7, and we give the sign of greater number is 12 and sign of this is plus, that's why we get here the 7. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to the 2 minus 5, similarly here we get 7. By using this, here the difference between two consecutive terms, means here T2 minus T2 and T1 and T3 and T4 or T2 and T3 are constant. Okay. Then similarly here find that T4 is equal T4 minus T3 is equal to 7. Now therefore given sequence is an AP. Why? Because the difference between two consecutive terms consecutive terms is constant. Okay. Here A is equal to minus 12, D is equal to 7. Okay. First term is minus 12 and D is equal to 7. To finding the 28 term, means here we find out the T20. Okay. To find 28 term, that is T20. Then we know that, which Tn is equal to A plus En minus 1 into D. Now T20 is equal to the, here A is equal to minus 12 plus N is equal to 20 minus 1 into 7. Then therefore T20 is equal to minus 12, as it is plus 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 into the 7. Now here therefore T20 is equal to minus 12 plus 19 into 7, 133. Therefore T20 is equal to the 121. Okay. Now here therefore 20 term of given AP is 121. In this way we find out the term of given AP by using formula Tn is equal to the A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A is a first term, N is a number of term and D is a common difference, and Tn is a N term. Okay. Now we see the next example. Example is example number second. Find how many 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5. What is which is the question? Example here. Find how many 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5. Solution: list of 3 digit numbers divisible by 5 is first lowest, you know that the lowest 3 digit number is 100, and 100 obviously 100 is divisible by 5. That's why the first 3 digit or the smallest 3 digit number is 100. The next is highest, next 100 plus 5, 105, 105 plus 5, 110, 110 plus 5, 115, so on. The greatest 3 digit number which is divisible by 5 is 995. Now we see what we see here. Let us find how many such numbers are there. Okay, now by which here Tn is equal to the 995, A is equal to 100 and D is equal to 5. Now we see from the from this will find value of n. How? Tn is equal to the A plus n minus 1 into D. Here Tn is equal to 995, A is equal to 100 and D is equal to 5. Then therefore 995 is equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. Now here we take 100 on left hand side, it becomes minus. Then therefore 995 minus 100 is equal to the n minus 1 into 5. Then 995 minus 100 is equal to the 895 is equal to the in bracket n minus 1 into 5. Then we take 5 on left hand side, here multiply, on left hand side it becomes divide, sorry, not becomes, here it is divide. Then 895, therefore 895 divided by 5 is equal to 915. Then 5 ones are 5, what is the remainder here, 3, then 39, then 5 sevens are 35 and 5 nines are, means here we get 895 divided by 5 is equal to the 179 is equal to n minus 1. Then here n minus 1, then we take minus 1 on, sorry, take minus 1 on left side, it become plus. Now here 179 plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 180. Now what is the n here? N is a number of 3 digit numbers which is divisible by 5. Okay, there are 180 3 digit numbers which are divisible by 5. In this way we use the formula Tn. Okay, and we find out the how many numbers or how many 3 digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, now we see next example. Example number 3. The 11th term and the 21st term of the AP or of an AP, not the, of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41st term of the 80. Here we are not given AP here, we have given here T11 and T20. By using this information we find first AP and after that we find the T41. Okay, now let us see solution. Solution is, in the given AP T11 is equal to 16 and T20 is equal 21 is equal to 29. Okay, we know that Tn is equal to the n A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now here T1 is equal to the A plus 11 minus 1 into D. We can't know A and D, but we know that T11 is equal to 16. 16 is equal to the A plus 1, sorry, A plus 10D. 11 minus 1, 10D. Okay, therefore A plus 10D is equal to 16. Give the equation number 1. This equation is linear equation in 2 variable. Okay, now we see the second. Similarly, T21 is equal to the A plus 21 minus 1 into D. Now here therefore 29 is equal to the A plus 20d, means here a plus 20d is equal to the 20. Now give the second equation. Here equation number 1 and 2, these are the linear equation in two variable, and these are both equation having the same variable. That's why simultaneous equation. Now we solve the simultaneous equation. From equation number 1, here the equation number 1 is a plus 10d is equal to 16. Now here a is equal to the 16 minus 10d. Now we put above equation in second, then equation second becomes 29 is equal to the, we replace a by 16 minus 10d, then equation second becomes 29 is equal to the 16 minus 10d plus 20d. Now here minus 10d plus 20d, these are the like terms. Now here we get 29 minus 16 and minus 10d plus 20, here it becomes 10d. Now here 29 minus 16, 13 is equal to the 10d. Therefore here we get d is equal to the 13 upon 10. Now to finding the value of a, we substitute the value of d in equation number 1 on d. Put d is equal to 13 upon 10 in equation number 1. Equation 1 becomes a plus 10 into 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. Here 10 will be cancelled. Therefore a plus 13 is equal to 16. Therefore a is equal to the 16 minus 13. Therefore a is equal to the 3. Now here first term is 3 and the common difference is 13 upon 10. Now we find the 41st term of given AP. How to find? We know that Tn is equal to the a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here T41 is equal to the 1, what is a here 3 plus 41 minus 1 into the 13 upon 10. Now T41 is equal to 3 as it is, plus 41 minus 1, 40 into 13 upon 10, 10 into 10, 10 4s are 40. Now here we get, therefore T41 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 13. Now here 4 plus 30, 13, 4 sorry not 4 into 13, 42, 42 plus 3, 45. Therefore T41 is equal to the 45. Therefore 41st term of the given AP is 45. Now in this way we handle the example, or we find out the terms in an AP by using the formula Tn is equal to the a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Okay. In this way we solve practice set number 3.2. Okay. Thank you.